Hello everyone, my name is Paraj Prajapati. So I'm going to solve LeetCode number 3931. Check adjacent differences, adjacent digit differences. So what the problem statement says, like if there is present of string 132. So what we're going to do, the absolute difference, we will calculate the absolute difference like 0 index and 1 index. So 1 minus 3 is 2, and absolute difference from index 1 and index 2 is 1. So since both difference at most 2, so we return 2. So we will check is the adjacent difference is at most 2. So we return true, or else we return false. So what will my logic? So directly we take for loop from where? From 0 to as dot length minus 1, because we will taking as because we will check first value to second value, like first index to second index. If we use the I will show. Then if s of I, we will check absolute value. So we will use inbuilt feature function s of I minus s of I plus 1. If we not take minus 1, then it will not iterate to I plus 1 value. So we will go for minus 1 in this case. Now we'll check absolute value is greater than greater than 2. So we return right false, because we want at most, not more than. Okay. We want at most 2. So we'll directly return false, or then we go outside the loop and we directly return true. If I'll check passes all test case, we're going to submit. And time complexity for this, because only single for loop is running. So O of n, and space is also fine 1. Right? You can check 1 millisecond only. Thank you.